everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into something truly exciting, the 2026 BMW Motorhome. If you're a fan of luxury vehicles and adventure on the road, this is definitely something you'll want to stick around for. BMW has long been known for combining performance, style and cutting-edge technology, and now they are bringing all of that into the motorhome segment. In this video, we're going to break down everything you need to know about this new motorhome, from its design and features to the all-important question, the price. The 2026 BMW Motorhome is making waves in the automotive world, mainly because it promises a driving experience unlike any other in its class. It's not just a motorhome, it's a mobile luxury experience. Imagine taking the thrill of a BMW car and extending it into a fully equipped motorhome that you can drive across the country. From the outside, it has that unmistakable BMW aesthetic, sleek lines, bold front grille, and a design that looks both futuristic and elegant at the same time. It's a motorhome that demands attention wherever it goes. Inside, BMW has gone all out. The interior combines luxury with practicality, giving you a space that is both comfortable and functional. You'll find high-quality materials throughout, from the leather seats to the polished wood finishes. The layout is thoughtfully designed to maximize space, ensuring that you have a living area, kitchen, bedroom, and even a small workspace if you need it. The motorhome comes with state-of-the-art technology, including a digital cockpit, advanced navigation system, and a suite of connectivity options that keep you connected even in the most remote areas. One of the key highlights of this motorhome is its driving performance. Unlike many traditional motorhomes that can feel bulky and hard to maneuver, the 2026 BMW Motorhome benefits from BMW's engineering expertise. It offers smooth handling, precise steering, and powerful engine options that make long trips more enjoyable. Whether you're cruising on the highway or navigating winding country roads, this motorhome is built to deliver a driving experience that feels more like a luxury car than a typical RV. Now let's talk about the living amenities, because a motorhome is only as good as what it offers when you're on the road. The kitchen is fully equipped with modern appliances, including a refrigerator, stove, microwave, and plenty of storage space for your food and utensils. The bathroom is compact but luxurious, featuring a shower, sink, and smart storage solutions. The sleeping area is designed for comfort, with beds that offer excellent support and high-quality bedding. There's also a smart climate control system that allows you to set the perfect temperature no matter where you are. Every detail has been carefully considered to ensure you can enjoy the comforts of home while traveling. One feature that BMW has emphasized is sustainability. The 2026 motorhome includes energy-efficient systems, such as solar panels and advanced battery management, which reduce environmental impact while also giving you more freedom off the grid. This makes it perfect for long trips where traditional power sources might not be available. The motorhome also includes advanced safety features like collision warning, lane assist, and adaptive cruise control, making it safer for both short trips and long journeys. Of course, one of the first questions most people ask when they hear about a vehicle like this is, how much is it going to cost? The 2026 BMW Motorhome is definitely positioned as a premium product, so the price reflects that. Depending on the model and the customization options you choose, prices start at around $250,000 and can go significantly higher for fully loaded versions with all the luxury features. This might seem steep, but when you consider the level of engineering, technology, and craftsmanship that goes into this motorhome, it starts to make sense. BMW isn't just selling a vehicle, they're offering a lifestyle. A mobile luxury experience that combines the thrill of driving with the comfort of a high-end home. For comparison, if you look at other high-end motorhomes on the market, the 2026 BMW Motorhome is competitive, especially considering the driving dynamics and brand prestige. It's aimed at buyers who want more than just a traditional RV. They want a vehicle that delivers both performance and luxury. and they're willing to invest in that experience. There are also optional packages that allow for customization, including premium interior finishes, advanced tech upgrades, and even specialized off-road capabilities for those who want to explore more rugged terrain. Another interesting point is resale value. BMW vehicles tend to hold their value well over time, and this principle is likely to apply to their motorhomes as well. That means that while the initial investment is significant, it could be a smart long-term purchase for those who treat it well and keep it in top condition. Whether you're planning short weekend trips or extended cross-country adventures, the 2026 BMW Motorhome promises an experience that's hard to match in this segment. To wrap things up, the 2026 BMW Motorhome is a remarkable addition to the luxury motorhome market. It offers a combination of style, performance, and comfort that few competitors can match. The starting price of around $250,000 reflects its premium positioning, and for those who want the ultimate mobile luxury experience, it may well be worth every penny. From advanced technology and sustainability features to a beautifully designed interior and excellent driving performance, this motorhome represents BMW's vision of the future for luxury travel on the road. If you're in the market for a motorhome that doesn't compromise on performance or comfort, the 2026 BMW Motorhome is definitely one to consider. It's more than just a vehicle, it's a statement, an adventure, and a home on wheels all in one. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the BMW Motorhome, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update on the latest luxury vehicles. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in